17.1 times the mass of the Earth. So not the smallest of the Jovian planets, but not the biggest either, and really quite far. It's the farthest one because Pluto is considered, unfortunately for some, to be a dwarf planet, so not really considered a planet anymore. Okay. So, since you asked about Neptune, which I think is a great question. Good night, Reese. Thank you. Thank you for modding. Thank you so much. Meant a TV. Wow. Who needs TV when they can watch this channel on YouTube, right? Tell your TV person that they could just come for the astronomy live chat. Yay! Good morning. So, okay, let me read a little bit about Uranus and Neptune. So Uranus and Neptune are twin planets, similar in their properties. Uranus is 3% larger in radius than Neptune, but 15% smaller in mass. Their internal structure is quite similar with a layer of ordinary molecular hydrogen. So they do have hydrogen, but just as a molecular hydrogen form, lying atop a layer of liquid water and ammonia, which is called the ISIS in the jargon of planetary scientists, in turn lying atop a solid rocky core. So where Jupiter and Saturn have a substantial metallic hydrogen layer, Uranus and Neptune just have the rocky core. On top of that, they have the the icy layers, and then they have molecular hydrogen. Let me show you the picture. That will make it a little easier. Okay, so when we say ice in the context of the Jovian planets, we mean it could be water ice, or it could be ammonia ice, you know, some other material ice, if you will, as well. And I will show you the picture right now. But basically, yeah, internal structure, layer of ordinary molecular hydrogen, atop a layer of liquid water and ammonia, on top of a solid rocky core. And I'll show it to you right now. So this is Jupiter, this is Saturn, this is Uranus, and this is, wait a minute, am I saying it right? Yes, this is Uranus, and this is Neptune. And you can see how Jupiter and Saturn have an extra layer, that's the metallic hydrogen layer, whereas Uranus and Neptune just have the 3 layers. And if you can't see very well, I'll just tell you the layers. And the layers are just a rocky core, then layer of ice, and then on top of that, molecular hydrogen. So I'm still answering the question about Neptune, and along with it, I'm talking about Uranus as well. And Uranus, the planet, you know, so it's rocky core, on top of that ice, on top of that molecular hydrogen for Uranus and Neptune, okay? Whereas Jupiter and Saturn have the metallic hydrogen layer. Now we will further look at some more fun facts about Neptune because Crazy asked about it. So, yes. All the Jovian planets have a rocky core, actually. So if you saw that picture, you can rewind to it. All of the Jovian planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, have a rocky core. We say sometimes that it's almost like having an Earth-like planet at the core of these planets, screaming to be let out because there's so many other layers on top. So yeah, can you give me some advice? How do you know if a woman likes you? Okay, so oh, here. So by the way, can we please like